Mike Hughes here. I'm at memorialreefsinternational.com, as it were, and I'm here with Danny, and you're going to tell us a little bit about your program here.
Yeah, we have an option for people who choose cremation or aquamation. Once that has been done, we take the ashes and we take it down to one of our many locations around the world, and we actually take those ashes, we create a small patty called a jewel, and we place it in the bottom of one of these. This is the actual size of what we call an Atlantis-size memorial reef.
Okay.
And we then have an 8-inch marine grade bronze plaque, so nothing grows on it, and that is, if you will, the headstone. It's personalized for the individual's life and their years, as you can see there. Then we take this and we deploy it at one of our memorial gardens or one of our memorial parks around the world, and over time, nature happens. Whenever we're at a funeral convention, we are one of the few products that actually gives life from death. And so here you can see something after a couple of years, and you can see almost a decade later, these huge coral heads, these sea anemones, and this is one even older. You can't tell it's an artificial reef. So there's hundreds and thousands of these out throughout the world without cremated ashes put in them. We are the new take on putting cremation into a life-giving product.
Which is good, because instead of just putting more remains in the ground, we can actually start a living reef with this, and maybe someday being one of the great barrier reefs.
This is possible. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.